A blessed day, wonderful learners. Get ready to embark on a learning journey as we delve into the video discussing understanding probation, eligibility, application, and legal framework. Stay safe, and may you always be blessed. Join me on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for insightful content.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What is probation? Probation is a legal disposition where a defendant, after being convicted and sentenced, is released under specific conditions imposed by the court and is placed under the supervision of a probation officer. It serves as an alternative to imprisonment, allowing the offender to remain in the community while complying with the court's requirements. Ang proboscion ay isang legal na disposisyon kung saan ang isang nasasakdal, pagkatapos mahatulan at masentensyahan, ay pinalaya sa ilalim ng mga partikular na kondisyon na ipinataw ng hukuman at inilalagay sa ilalim ng pangangasiwa ng isang opisyal ng proboscion. Ito ay nagsisilbing alternatibo sa pagkakulong na nagpapahintulot sa nagkasala na manatili sa komunidad habang sumusunod sa mga kinakailangan ng korte. Who can apply for probation? Any first-time convicted offender who is 18 years old or above may apply for probation. However, the offender must not be convicted of offenses punishable by death, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment. Additionally, those who have previously been granted probation or who have been sentenced to imprisonment of more than 6 years are not eligible. Sino mang unang beses na napatunayang nagkasala na 18 taong gulang o higit pa ay maaaring mag-apply para sa proboscion. Gayunpaman, ang nagkasala ay hindi dapat mahatulan ng mga paglabag na may parusang kamatayan, reclusion perpetua, o habang buhay na pagkakakulong. Karagdagan pa, ang mga naunang nabigyan ng proboscion o nahatulan ng pagkakulong ng higit sa 6 na taon ay hindi karapat-dapat. Is probation a right? No, probation is not a right, it is a privilege granted to adult offenders at the court's discretion. However, under Republic Act No. 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, a child in conflict with the law, CICL, has the right to probation as an alternative to imprisonment, provided they meet the qualifications under the probation law. Hindi, ang proboscion ay hindi isang karapatan, ito ay isang pribilehiyong ibinibigay sa mga nasa hustong gulang na nagkasala sa pagpapasya ng korte. Gayunpaman, sa ilalim ng Republic Act No. 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, ang isang child in conflict with the law, CICL, ay may karapatan sa proboscion bilang alternatibo sa pagkakulong, basta't natutugunan nila ang mga kwalifikasyon sa ilalim ng probation law. Where should an application for probation be filed? The application for probation must be filed with the court that tried and sentenced the offender. What happens if the application for probation is denied? If the application for probation is denied, the offender will be committed to serve the sentence as determined by the court. Saan dapat ihain ang aplikasyon para sa probation? Ang aplikasyon para sa proboscion ay dapat na isampa sa korte na nilitis at nagsentensya sa nagkasala. Ano ang mangyayari kung ang aplikasyon para sa probation ay tinanggihan? Kung ang aplikasyon para sa proboscion ay tinanggihan, ang nagkasala ay ipagkakaloob na magsilbi sa sentensya ayon sa itinakda ng korte. When should an application for probation be filed? An application for probation should be filed within the period for perfecting an appeal, which is 15 days from the promulgation of the Notice of Judgment of Conviction. For a child in conflict with the law, under Section 42 of RA 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, the court may place the child on probation at any time after sentencing and upon application. Ang isang aplikasyon para sa proboscion ay dapat na isampa sa loob ng panahon para sa pagperpekto ng isang apela na 15 araw mula sa pagpapahayag ng paunawa ng paghatol ng paghatol. Para sa isang bata na sumasalungat sa batas sa ilalim ng Seksyon 42 ng RA 9344 Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, maaaring ilagay ng korte ang bata sa proboscion anumang oras pagkatapos ng sentensya at sa aplikasyon. Can an offender be released from confinement while the application for probation is pending? Yes, the applicant may be released on the bail provided in the criminal case or under recognizance while the application for probation is pending. How many times can one be granted probation? An offender can be granted probation only once. Maaari bang palayain ang nagkasala mula sa pagkakulong habang nakabinbin ang aplikasyon para sa probation? Oo, ang aplikante ay maaaring makalaya sa piyansang ibinigay sa kasong kriminal o sa ilalim ng pagkilala habang ang aplikasyon para sa probation ay nakabinbin. Ilang beses mabibigyan ng probation? Isang beses lang mabibigyan ng probation ng isang nagkasala.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, correctional administration. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.